trunk moving. How bad the misfire is, bro. I don't know if y'all can see it. They be shaking so bad. Black Beast is done, gang. She misfiring. She ain't doing right. Listen to her. Lifters done probably fouled out or something. Stop working or something. I got like a Senator misfire and all that junk. Damn, I thought that car in front of me was gonna go and I was gonna go with him. That bitch definitely ain't riding right, gang. She's shaking. All head. Gonna have to sit her down, man. Have to take her apart. Get everything reworked. Go cam lifters. I'm gonna get my heads reworked. Make sure all my valves and stuff good. But I keep changing my spark plug, bro, and that ain't working, man. The coil pack, for some reason, when I try to remove the coil pack on cylinder 4, it's not making no change in the engine. And the spark plugs be like fouled out. Be having a hard time starting, then they bitch up popping like by itself. Normally I had to force it to do that. Got the gas smell. But we gotta do what we gotta do when we gotta do it, man. So I'm gonna thug it out. Gotta thug it out for surely. Black Beast gone, man. So videos may slow up until I get everything. But just wanted to let y'all boys know that, so I just don't disappear on y'all. You feel me? So y'all won't think I'm just gone. So they really gonna be like the last ride, last POV y'all gonna get probably. Black Beast before she get fixed. I can't even accelerate for real. Right. Like my whole car shaking, bro. A lot of people gonna be like, why you still driving? They gonna cause more issues, bro. You gotta do what you gotta do when you gotta do it. I said I worry about that later on down the line, man. If something mess up like that, bro, I got a whole other engine I can still go through. But I just gotta goddamn do what I gotta do, bro. But I definitely wanted to let y'all know that though, man. All my temps and shit still good. My temps and stuff just good. I just can't figure out that misfire, bro. That's it. Like, it had stopped for a minute. It really started back when I put some gas in. When I filled up my car with some gas, bro, it started again. Seemed like I'm just getting bad gas or something, but then again, like, I don't know, bro. I took the other spark plugs out the other day, and it was like soaked in gas. You feel me? They was soaked in gas, gang. So, well, not really soaked, but you could tell gas was just sitting on them. So I don't know, man. I don't really, pretty much, I ain't throw nothing at it yet. I keep putting old spark plugs in just to check. You see what I'm saying? Spark plugs that came on my car before. So I just throw those in there. Might be the wrong spark plug shit, I don't know. But they just the spark plugs I got. I know I done checked the part number, bro. It can't be the wrong ones, but like all that shit vibrating, bro. Like, cause you know the engine not running smooth right now. Boy, my brother right there. My brother right there, man. But yeah, man. I don't know, bro. I did the oil change. The oil didn't even look bad for real. It didn't look bad at all for real, to be honest. But I changed it anyway because I had a road truck. So I ain't gotta worry about that. That one thing I ain't gotta worry about. But I just had to let y'all guys know that, man, so y'all won't think I just stopped doing what I was gonna do. It's because, bro, I need some work done, man. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all boys and act like it ain't nothing wrong for real, but yeah. Accelerate right. They don't want to accelerate right, man. RP Black Beast, man. Man, she needs some more stuff in her heart, for real. Some new stuff in her heart. I think it's just time for me to go ahead and upgrade them lifters and cam, goddamn. Y'all can have any idea. I'm getting the P0300 and P0304. Selling a 4 misfire and random misfire. So if y'all know anything, man, y'all know anything, let me know. Let me know something. You feel me? She definitely go when she wanna go though. Definitely don't know what the fuck it is, gang. But I definitely hit it to see if I can get any more things come on the dashboard. Check engine light. Like, just listen. She's not running right. And if I take my foot off the gas, like, the brake, she's shaking. Pretty much like I got a cam in it, bitch. Don't pay attention to the gas light or whatever, you know. I know I need some gas, gang. I'm really trying to get that shit up out of there because I don't know if it was bad gas or what. But that shit really ain't riding right at all. She's shaking. Like, listen to it, gang. Y'all hear that shit, bro? That shit not good. That shit not good. Well, gang, that's it, man. I'll catch y'all when I catch y'all. Y'all be safe. I love y'all.